Hi, I'm Joshua with Rishi Tea and Botanicals, and I'm gonna make turmeric pasta with spicy garlic and broccoli. I'm just gonna coarse chop these cashews. Now we're gonna toast the cashew in the chili. You're gonna smell those chilies start to come out. Still wanna burn them. The broccolini. All right, just wanna get it out. Let's put it in there. Let's reduce the temperature. We're gonna use the same water, boil the pasta noodle. I wanna cut the stem thin and keep the top florets kind of whole so the dish looks beautiful. Just gonna add some of the tea seed oil. Add some garlic. Add some ginger. Add black pepper. Add the kosher salt. Add the turmeric powder. Add the hot chili pepper. This is the water that we cooked the broccoli in. Just gonna nail it. While the noodles are boiling, we're gonna add the poached broccoli to the infused oil. Saute it briefly, toss it around, but don't overheat it. Add the toasted cashews with the chili, toss it around, and just cut the heat and use tongs to add the noodles to the pan. Look at the color. Within 30 seconds, 40 seconds, it's ready for plating.